Imagine waking up in the morning, glancing in the mirror, and seeing skin that looks plump, luminous, and refreshed, without spending hours layering on product after product. Welcome to the world of skin flooding, the skincare trend that's transforming routines everywhere in 2025. If you're tired of complex regimens and want real results for dry, dehydrated, or sensitive skin, keep listening. In just a few minutes, you'll learn bendis on exactly what skin flooding is, why it works, how to do it correctly, the key ingredients that make all the difference, and the common mistakes to sidestep for your healthiest, most radiant skin ever. So, what is skin flooding? At its heart, skin flooding is all about saturating your skin with moisture, layer by layer, to achieve deep hydration and a supple, glowing complexion. Unlike routines that focus on exfoliation or anti-aging actives, skin flooding prioritizes replenishing and holding onto water. It uses a specific sequence of gentle, hydrating products to flood your skin with moisture, then lock it in. The result? Skin that feels soft, looks dewy, and stays comfortable throughout the day, even in harsh or dry climates. Why does this method work so well, especially for dry, dehydrated, or sensitive skin types? The answer lies in our skin's natural barrier. When the barrier is compromised, skin loses water quickly and becomes prone to irritation, flakiness, and sensitivity. Traditional routines, particularly those with harsh cleansers or aggressive actives, can strip and weaken the barrier further. Skin flooding, on the other hand, is designed to restore and reinforce this barrier. By layering hydrating products while the skin is still damp, you take advantage of the skin's ability to absorb moisture most efficiently. Each product, starting from lightest to richest, helps pull water into the skin, then seals it in, preventing moisture loss and supporting barrier repair. This method is especially beneficial for anyone experiencing tightness, rough patches, or redness, and for those who find that their skin just can't seem to stay hydrated, no matter how much moisturizer they use. Now, let's break down the skin flooding routine step by step, with the ideal timing and order for each stage. The beauty of this routine? It's streamlined, effective, and can be done in about 5 minutes. Step 1. Cleanse. Begin by washing your face with a gentle, non-soap cleanser. Spend about 30 seconds massaging the cleanser onto damp skin, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm, not hot, water. This removes impurities and preps your skin for optimal hydration without stripping away its natural oils. Pat your face gently with a soft towel, leaving it slightly damp. The moisture left on your skin will help the next layers absorb more effectively. Step 2. Hydrate with a mist or toner. Within 30 seconds of cleansing, while your skin is still damp, spritz on a hydrating mist or apply a toner using your hands. Look for formulas with ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, or soothing botanicals. This step infuses the skin with water and creates the perfect canvas for deeper hydration. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 seconds, just enough for the product to begin absorbing, but before your skin dries completely. Step 3. Apply a hydrating serum. Now, reach for a serum rich in humectants, the superstar ingredients that draw water into the skin. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin are the gold standards here. Dispense a pea-sized amount and smooth it over your face, focusing on areas that feel especially dry or tight. Don't forget your neck. Take about 30 seconds for this step, gently pressing the serum in with your fingertips. If you want to level up your routine, choose a serum that also contains peptides. Peptides support the skin's barrier and boost collagen, helping your skin look firmer and more resilient over time. Step 4. Moisturize. After your serum has started to sink in, usually within 30 seconds, follow up with a moisturizer that contains emollients and occlusives. Ingredients like ceramides, squalane, and fatty acids are excellent choices. These help trap all that hydration from your previous steps and reinforce your skin's protective barrier. Take another 30 seconds to massage the moisturizer evenly over your face and neck, paying attention to dry or flaky spots. Step 5. Sunscreen. Morning routine only. If you're doing this routine in the morning, finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30. Apply a generous amount. Think about a nickel-sized dollop for your face and neck. Give yourself about 30 seconds to ensure you've covered every area. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, even on cloudy days, as it protects your freshly hydrated skin from UV damage, which can cause premature aging and undo much of the good you've just done. In total, this streamlined routine takes around 5 minutes, and you're done. Your skin should feel comfortable, bouncy, and ready for the day or a restful night. Let's talk about the best ingredients to use in your skin flooding routine. The right formulas make all the difference between skin that feels hydrated in the moment and skin that stays plump and radiant all day long. First up, hyaluronic acid. This ingredient is a hydration powerhouse, capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. When applied to damp skin, it acts like a magnet, drawing moisture from the environment and from deeper layers of your skin to the surface. The result? A visible plumping effect that smooths out fine lines and leaves skin looking refreshed. Next is glycerin, another humectant that works similarly to hyaluronic acid. Glycerin is especially beloved for its ability to soften and condition the skin while attracting and retaining moisture. It's gentle, non-irritating, and suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Don't overlook peptides. These short chains of amino acids are building blocks for the skin, supporting the repair process and encouraging the production of collagen and elastin. When combined with hydrating ingredients, peptides help strengthen the skin barrier, improve elasticity, and contribute to a smoother, firmer texture over time. Other ingredients to look for include panthenol, also known as provitamin B5, ceramides, squalane, and allantoin. Panthenol soothes and moisturizes. Ceramides and squalane help lock in hydration and repair the barrier. And allantoin calms the skin, reducing redness and irritation. As effective as skin flooding can be, there are a few common mistakes to avoid if you want to reap all the benefits while minimizing the risk of irritation or breakouts. The first mistake is overloading your skin with too many layers or heavy products. While layering is key to the skin flooding technique, piling on too many serums, creams, or oils can overwhelm your skin, clog pores, and lead to breakouts or congestion. Stick to the essentials: a hydrating mist or toner, one serum, and a moisturizer. Trust that less is more, especially when it comes to hydration. Another pitfall is skipping sunscreen in the morning. All the hydrating in the world won't help if your skin is left unprotected from the sun's damaging rays. UV exposure can break down the skin barrier, cause dark spots, and accelerate premature aging. Make sunscreen the final, non-negotiable step in your daytime routine. Avoid using harsh, drying ingredients in conjunction with skin flooding. Alcohol-based toners, strong exfoliating acids, and retinoids can strip the skin and counteract the benefits of your hydrating routine. If you're using actives like retinol or vitamin C, consider applying them at a different time of day or on alternate days to avoid irritation. Timing matters, too. For best results, apply each product while your skin is still damp, not soaking wet, but not completely dry either. This allows humectants, like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, to bind water more effectively, maximizing hydration. Lastly, pay attention to your skin's unique needs. If you notice increased redness, tightness, or breakouts, scale back on the number of products or switch to gentler formulas. Skin flooding should leave your skin feeling comfortable and nourished, not irritated or overloaded. To recap, skin flooding is a modern, minimalist approach to hydration that's perfect for anyone looking to achieve radiant, deeply moisturized skin without the hassle of a lengthy routine. By cleansing gently, layering hydrating products in the right order, and sealing it all in with a quality moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning, you can transform dry, dull, or sensitive skin into your healthiest, most luminous complexion yet. Choose ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and peptides for maximum results. And remember, consistent, thoughtful care is always the secret to beautiful skin. Ready to try skin flooding? Your journey to dewy, revitalized skin starts now, one simple, hydrating layer at a time. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and visit my channel for AZ of beauty, makeup, and skincare.